Hello Internet, it's Chris in Arena Studio. Welcome to another intro riff by the legendary band Acdc. If you've been watching the previous ones, you'll know that I've done Highway to Hell and Girls Got Rhythm. This one is Walk All Over You. So it looks like I'm going through the Highway to Hell album first, and then we'll look at one or two others. So if you want to learn how to play Walk All Over You, the main introduction riff by Acdc, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe and that bell for me for any notifications as they do appear. So Acdc, Walk All Over You, great riff. Again, it's one of those songs where we don't really need as much overdrive as we think we're going to be using on this. If you listen to my guitar, I've just got a little bit. And sometimes what I'll tend to do is just back the volume down a couple of notches. Just a couple of numbers there. It just gives that extra little bit of clarity on the riff. Okay, so we're going to start with an E power chord. You can actually get away with playing an E minor chord, which is where we basically play the 6th string open, 5th string 2nd fret, and 4th string 2nd fret. And you're just going to play those 3 strings really. And then we play, which is E to F sharp, so that's open, then to the 2nd fret, and then we play a G chord. Okay, and then we go on to a D major chord, and then we end with an A power chord, which is going to be the 5th string open, 2nd fret on the D string, which is the 4th string, and 2nd fret on the 3rd string, which is the G string. So put that together and we should get and it repeats. Okay. And that's how you play Walk All Over You, the introduction to Acdc's classic song. It's a great track. It's from the Highway to Hell album, 3rd one on the list, I think. Next week it's going to be Touch Too Much, Beat Around the Bush. We've got all those classics in there as well, so I'll be popping those on every Friday morning at 8:30. GMT time. There's also a live stream where we chat about all things music on a Wednesday on the channel, 5:30 GMT time, and I'm also throwing a few short videos on there as well, which are hopefully going to get the views and the numbers up on the channel, and then we can keep making more content, which makes me a happy man. So for me, Chris, stay safe and well and tune in next time. Again, don't forget to subscribe and give that bell a ring for me, and I'll see you next time with some more Acdc classic riffs.